with us again. Today we are opening the one and only Mattel's Barbie's Supermarket. Ah! I don't know if you guys are Barbie fans, but I've been a Barbie fan all my life. I'm over 40 and I am still a Barbie fan. I guess you could call me a crazed fan. Just kidding. Anyway, I am introducing my little toddler daughter here, little Bibby, to the world of Fantastic Barbie. So we have different kinds of Barbies, we have everything. Okay, we're gonna open this though. We've been waiting for this to come. It finally is here. I'm so excited. Let's open it. Got my scissors all ready. See, I love making Barbie adventure videos, and I am constantly searching for Barbie accessories, and they're hard to find. They are really hard to find. So when I saw this, I was quick to order it, right? Just put the box over here. Oh my goodness! So excited! 25 plus pieces. Okay guys, 25 plus pieces. Look at this little food. Look at the eggs. Oh my goodness. Look, you can even move, what is that called? The roller where you put the groceries on at the checkout stand. That is amazing. I love it. Look at this to weigh your fruit. This is crazy. This is cool. This is like a video right here. I'm so excited. This is like hours and hours of fun, right? So let's open it. Hold on. I have to cut the little rubber bands off, okay? She's already excited. Alrighty. Look at this. One of the stands, okay? Look at the pictures. This is a complete background for Barbie shopping, right? Am I right? Is this cool? Look at that. Little peanut butter and jelly, little vegetables, soap, and paper towels. Look at that. Then you come around to this side and you have more pictures. This gives you a complete, just, you know, kids use their imagination. They can do a lot with this. I can do a lot with this. The basket to hold the fruit. And I'm guessing that's where that comes in. Okay, let's open up. Let's get her out. Whee! Uh-oh. What is she stuck on? Oh, her head is, she's really put good in there. Okay. What's going on here? Let's take this whole piece out. She's got these little ties. So, that. Be careful not to cut her beautiful hair. Yes, I love the doll hair. Look at my real hair, but I love hair. Okay. Little Bibby loves hair. Oh my goodness. Okay. And here we have beautiful Barbie. Look at her with her beautiful little flower dress. She comes with shoes, okay? She is so gorgeous. I just love her. I love the little rose dress. Angel Rose here, right? Love the roses. All right. Look, little Bibby. She's beautiful. Okay, now what else do we have? This is so cool. Barbie basket. Woo! I love that even though these are a pain to take off, I love it because that means that they're harder to steal in the store, okay? I know you know what I'm talking about. You go in the store, you're looking for a toy. It's like going in the makeup aisle, right? You go and half of the stuff's missing because somebody went in there, opened the package in the store and took half of the contents out, right? Yeah. That's annoying. Okay, anyway, check out this little shopping bag. It's made of rubber, so it's durable. That is cute. So, you know, after she has her groceries, she can walk out with them. Yay! All right. So, check out this little basket, little shopping cart. This is cute. It rolls. That is adorable. Check it out. Let's see if she stands up. Let's put this up here. Let's see if she stands up on the basket. Okay. Voila. She stands with the basket. Can you guys see her? Check her out. She's cute. Hi everybody. I'm ready to go shopping. Awesome. All right, let's see what else we have. Get to the accessories. Why are these my favorite part? Tiny, tiny accessories. I'm so obsessed with when the Shopkins came out. It was worse than the kids. Ask my middle daughter. She'll tell you. I used to get her little Shopkins and put them on display on my little shelf. That's okay. Hey. I get older in years, but I never grow up in my mind. I am not afraid to have an imagination. That's what keeps me so young looking, okay? It's okay to watch cartoons over 40. Alrighty, these have the little screw-on plastic pieces. Those are easy, they just come right off. Alright, here we have, wow. Okay, this is the register, okay? Look at this. How many of you love the magazine stands at the line in the register? I do, right? That is cute. And here is your aisle stand and register. Okay, we're just gonna turn that around. Wait, how does this go? There you go, we're gonna turn that around. Look, aisle three. Now, if Barbie was working in the store, she'd be right here. Wait, what's going on with Barbie? She looks like she was out in the wind. Her shirt's coming off, okay? So anyway, Barbie is here working at the store, right? Yes, darling, ready? Okay. So, let's get to the accessories. Oh, what's this? We actually have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this. I want to pop this. Get the baby out of here. Get the baby out of here. Get the mini doll out of here before she falls on the floor. Here is the little fruitware, right? Isn't that what that is? That is cute. Yes, that is darling. So I'm guessing that it will go somewhere. We're just gonna put it here for now, okay? Just for now. Oh my, cereal, okay? Now I see that these have little holes in them to put the food. What? That's cute. I don't know how those go, but probably like that. Wow, that's amazing. That is cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at this little yogurt. That can go right there. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. So please don't pop all over. Woo. 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 This is a magazine. We're not gonna take that out yet, if you can see it, because little Vivi gets her hands on that and it'll become a coloring book thrown all over the living room. So we're not gonna take that out. But we actually have a little bouquet of roses, and that's cute. Let's put that, let's bring the basket back over here. And we're gonna get this set up ready for little Vivi to play with. So where did the roses go? I lost the roses, oh no. Oh, they're there. Okay, so we're gonna buy roses. So we're gonna put those in the basket, yay. Okay, here's some Barbie dish soap, oh my. We're gonna put that in the basket because Barbie needs dish soap. And we are going to, let's put the register over here, and let's get rid of this. And we are going to put the fruit, oh, I didn't take that off. Let's get that out of there. How? I don't know. Oh, you know what? This comes off, but it doesn't stay. So I'm thinking that I will make a little, I will cut this and then put it back in there so it's not gonna fall when little baby's playing with it. And that's a little fun little project. Look at that. Basket full of fruit. That's cute. Oh my. So that's gonna go right there. See that little baby? Isn't that cute? Okay. What else do we have? Oh my, we have eggs. Barbie needs eggs. I'm infatuated with the eggs because I already showed them to you, but we're not gonna drop them. We're gonna put them right here in the basket. Ooh, we need eggs. We need milk. Here's the milk. Isn't that cute? We need milk. We're gonna put that there. Oh, and we need some paper towels. Viva la paper towels. Yay! So we're gonna put those in there. And what else? Oh, actually the little book came out. Maybe we can just kind of tape that so it stays. That's a good idea, actually, you know that? We'll just tape that. And Barbie has a magazine that she's gonna take home, and she's gonna read all about the new styles and recipes that just came out. And then we have, oh my, the loaf of bread. Isn't that adorable? Okay, we're gonna put that in the basket. And then we also have some noodle macaronis. Those are going in the basket. Bottled water going in the basket. Don't quite know what this is. Maybe it's a shampoo. Maybe it's a orange juice. I don't know. Alrighty. Oh no, I didn't. Don't take me shopping with you, huh? Okay. That's okay, because, you know, kids, they just throw everything in there. But I'm really trying to get this out because what I want to show you, let's just cut it. I don't want to stand this up and look in the back because these little pieces might go flying, and I don't want to lose any of them because I love them. So, we got some more. Oh, this is like a little parfait. Is that adorable or what? Oh my gosh. Okay. Then we have a can of soup. Okay. Then we have maybe a can of tuna fish. I don't know. All right. Hold on. I'm getting them. Don't drop the little. Let me get this out of here. Okay. We have a jar of mustard. We are ready for the barbecue. All over Malibu Barbie and Ken and Chelsea, and it's a barbecue, right? Look at the honey. All right, now this is my favorite one. This is the honey bear. It looks like Winnie the Pooh. I'm in love. Okay, great. We're taking him home. Put him in the basket. He's going home. And check this out. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but I'm thinking Barbie hand sanitizer, right? Yeah. So we're taking that home for sure. All right, so those are the accessories. Now, what I also like about this set is that if you clean up all this stuff, take all the tape off and these little, you know, things that was tying everything, this could be a great background for a play area, right? Kids are playing. Here comes Barbie, grocery shopping, right? Oops, that was Ghost Barbie. Here's Barbie. Okay. Look how cute that looks in the background. It looks like she's in the actual store. I'm very excited. I'm so happy with this play set. I think they did an excellent job making this play set, and I can't wait to get more like it. So yay! Yay, Barbie makers! You guys did an excellent job. Woohoo! Now are you ready to play with your little toys? Now what we're going to do is we're going to set up, don't throw those on the floor please, because we're up here on the counter so we have more light so you guys can see us better. But now Barbie play set is all ready to go. Right? If we wanted to, we could put the food on these little trays and Barbie can get together with her friend and they can come shopping, carry the stuff out on the little bag. Excellent toy for kids. I love it. Well, put all this play set together. You want to see it all together one more time? Okay. There you go. I really am curious, where does this go? Does it go here? It goes there, huh? Let's try it. Yep, there you go. Okay, here's the little shopping bag. There comes the basket. Barbie's ready to go shopping. So that's great, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm totally ready to do another adventure Barbie video. And Vivian's also ready to play with this set, and she's probably going to be playing with it for the next 2 hours. Okay, guys? This is an amazing set. So stay tuned till we open another Barbie toy set. And thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. We love you. Bye.